Chase you down and teach you how to stop.
I guess I just wanted to do something big. I wanted to matter, you know?
I ain't never been very good with advice, but I do know this. To be a hero, you don't have to do big things. Just the right ones.
That's actually not bad.
Thank you. I have my moments. I'm okay.
My dear, sweet Victor, you were a wonderful friend and companion. Honest, loyal, rusty. I mean, really rusty. I could hear you all the way across the station. But still, we honor you with this silent moment of reflection as thanks for your sacrifice. You will be missed. Let's get this show on the road! Bring in new Quartu! Bring in new Quartu! How are things at home, Jeff?
Great!
It's beautiful! I did it, Father! I did it! It's beautiful!
I thought I might find you here.
Clank? I'm not going back, Clank. This is where I belong. You were right. Fame is overrated. Especially when you're famous for causing a complete disaster.
It was not a complete disaster.
Authorities are calling it a complete and utter disaster as cleanup.
Sorry!
The evacuation of Novalis was successful. No one was killed or injured.
But those people lost their homes. And for that, I have to take full responsibility.
Blaming yourself and taking responsibility are two very different things. If you truly want to be accountable, you will endeavor to make things right the next time.
Next time?
Drek has one more target on his list. With Captain Quark now working for the enemy, the Rangers need you more than ever. And I would like to offer my assistance in any way possible. Partner.